Hello and welcome. My name is Sussex Sandra and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see, is a wash day in my household for myself and my daughter. We have both got two different hair types. My daughter has type 3C hair and I have type 4C hair. The products we are using will be from the March 2018 Treasure Tress box. Inside that box were products from Shea Moisture, Cream of Nature and Design Essentials. The products were promoted by an American influencer, a natural hair influencer, and her name is Hey Curlie. So go ahead and watch and see how we get on with our wash day. So as you can see, I'm washing my daughter's hair now, and the shampoo I am using was from the January Treasure Tress, and that was the Revlon Realistic shampoo. I'm also using the conditioner you will see later, and that's in the little container you can see next to the black and gold bottle. But because I had so much problems in pumping out the product from the conditioner bottle, I literally just scooped it all out and put it into the spare container I have here. So my daughter's hair is all nice and clean now. We're now going to put in the conditioner, and this is where I use two conditioners. So as you can see, I'm using the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil Conditioner and the Andre Walker conditioner, which we got in a Treasure Tress box from last year. That Andre Walker conditioner, let me tell you, it is marvelous. Really deep conditioning, moisturizing conditioner. I use it very sparingly because it is, one, it's expensive, and two, it is damn good. Here I am putting in my daughter's conditioner, so I'm using the two conditioners that I mentioned before. What I do is I section her hair, put the conditioners in. I'll also put in some oil, which is an oil concoction, which I'll talk about later. I'll put that in her hair. Once her hair is twisted up, put it under a plastic cap, and then she goes under a hair dryer for about half an hour to 45 minutes. My turn now to wash my fine 4C hair. As you can see, I've already got the Design Essential products, the shampoo and the conditioner in the Avocado and Almond range. As you can see, the products were nearly finished. Desperately trying not to show you too much of my boobies here, but I'm just washing my hair. Love those shampoos. They are really, really, really good. Sorry about the angle of the camera. So you can see that I've washed my hair now. Now it's time to do a condition. It's just going to be a normal quick condition today. So I am using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado conditioner. It's a moisturising and detangling conditioner. We got the travel size version of this inside the March's Treasure Tress, but I've already got these bottles. So I'm going to put some of that in my hair. And I'm also going to put some of this Andre Walker hair, what's it called? TKO Ultimate Moisturizer Conditioner. So I'm going to put both of these in my hair. And I'm also going to put some of my oil concoction in my hair. My oils consist of Jamaican black castor oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil and peppermint oil. So I mix all those things up into bottles, and I'll put some of all of those in my hair and leave it in my hair for about an hour or so, hour and a half or so, before I continue doing the rest of my rinse and styling. So see you in a bit. Right, back to my daughter's hair now. Her hair is all dry, it's all lovely and conditioned. You can see the lovely curl pattern that's going on there, and the comb goes through really easily through her hair. Bear in mind I haven't got any moisturizer in her hair yet, and you can see that her hair is soft, it's conditioned, beautiful curl pattern already, and that is literally just down to the decent quality products that have been used in her hair. So again, I'm just going to thank Treasure Tress for that, because all of the products I've used so far from Treasure Tress have all been really excellent quality and just been really moisturizing on her hair. So what I'm doing with my daughter's hair now, I'm just spraying the sheer moisture detangling spray into her hair, and this is like a really moisturizing spray, so that was really nice, and I have been using it throughout this week in my own hair, just moisturizing my hair every day really. Then I put in the Creme of Nature coconut milk leave-in conditioner, so you can see I'm doing that there, and I'll brush it through her hair. And the last layer I'm putting in is the Creme of Nature curl repair cream. Once I've done all of that, detangled her hair through, so finger detangled her hair, comb it through, brush it through, then I flat twisted her hair, and I used the curling rods to curl the hair to give that nice curl at the end. My daughter decided that she didn't want to go under the hairdryer again for another hour. By this point she was totally fed up with me doing her hair, so she decided to just leave it for her hair to dry naturally overnight, and I will show the pictures of how her hair looked at the end of this video. Back to me again now. So it's my turn to be putting in all the products now. So the first thing I'm going to be putting in is the Shea Moisture Detangling Spray. It's the coconut milk one, and actually this spray is really nice. As I said, I've been using this all week just to spray my scalp each day before I step outside into the cold environment. So as you can see, my hair is completely different. I have got fine 4C hair with lots of grey in the front. Now I may have mentioned this before in previous videos. I have got an autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, and the medication I am on, particularly one of them, causes my hair to actually fall out. Now I had my big chop a couple of years ago, nearly a couple of years ago now, and my hair did struggle to grow. That's the main reason really why I did the big chop, because I was just so fed up of how my hair was. You know what happens when you lose the quality of their hair? Women, we mourn our hair, and I literally mourned it. So it was like a reaction. I just decided to just cut my hair down short, and that was it, and I just wore wigs forever afterwards. But then I decided to grow my hair back. So when I grew my hair grew back very, very thin. So my hair type is completely different from everybody else in my family. If you see my sister and my niece and my mother's, all their hair is very thick. My hair, when it grew back, it was very thin and fine. But again, I'm not complaining, because at least I have got hair on my head. Because I know a lot of people who have got the same autoimmune disease as me, they've literally lost their hair and they just wear wigs all the time now. So I am grateful. So what I'm doing now, I'm moisturizing my hair. I'm now parting it, conditioning it, and then I'm going to cornrow it, so getting ready to install my crochet braids. And that, my dears, is a typical wash day routine for me and my daughter. Okay, all done, another wash day done. It's always a big deal doing a wash day in my household because it's my hair and my daughter's hair, and there's usually always other things going on in the household at the same time. So what I'm going to do now is just summarise what was used today and how I felt about the products that were used. So the products that were used were from the March 2018 Treasure Tress. The majority of the products were from the Cream of Nature coconut milk brand. So let's go through these. So I used for my shampoo and conditioner products that were included in the Treasure Tress box, but I already had them, so I just continued to use the products I had, and they were from Design Essentials. So it was the Design Essentials, you can see my bottle's nearly finished here. They were the Almond and Avocado conditioner and shampoo, and I do love using these two products, so as you can see. So at least I don't have to buy two new ones now because I've got two travel size ones upstairs now, so that's all good. My daughter, she used the shampoo and conditioner from the February or January box, which was from Revlon Realistic. So it was their shampoo and conditioner from those two products. For the deep condition, we used for the conditioner for my daughter, we used the Revlon Realistic conditioner that came there, and I also used the Andre Walker hair deep conditioner as well. So that's what I used on my daughter's hair. This also came in a Treasure Tress box from last year. I can't remember which box that came in, but this is a really good deep conditioner as well. And my daughter went under the hairdryer for a good 30-45 minutes. I didn't go under the hairdryer, I just don't bother with that. I just leave the products in my hair and I just walk around doing all the other things I need to do and then come back to my hair afterwards. To style my daughter's hair, what I used, I flat twisted my daughter's hair and I used the curling rods. First I used the leave-in conditioner. I haven't got it with me here, but I used that first, followed by this. So I laid the products, followed by the coconut milk, and then I use the Curl Repair leave-in, and this will be the product my daughter will probably be using throughout the week just to keep the moisture in her hair. And we sealed her hair using my mixture of oils. I think I mentioned my oils before. So in my oil mixture I've just got, what have I got in there? I have got Jamaican castor oil, I've got grapeseed oil, I've got sweet almond oil, I've got rosemary, and I've got peppermint in there. So that's my oil mixture in here, which I keep. All the products I buy from Amazon, because Amazon is fantastic for everything, and I tend to buy, if I can, big litre bottles of things. Oh, there's a drop of argan oil in here as well. Not much, but there is some argan oil in here as well. So that's what I use to seal the moisture in. So my daughter's hair I flat twisted, used the curling rods at the end, and she didn't want to go under the hairdryer, she wants to sleep in it overnight. So that's what she's going to be doing, and then I'll pull it out tomorrow, and then I'll probably take a picture and put it on this post as well, just to show what the finished results of her hair is. What I did, I used these same products for moisture, sealing with this. So you saw me, I cornrowed my hair and then I installed my new crochet braids. These crochet braids I will keep in for 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how well they last. Usually I keep it in for as long as it starts to look untidy, particularly in the front. I don't like to leave braids in for too long, basically because the hair starts to dehydrate and it will start to tangle up. So usually it's 2 weeks, and I take it all out and put a new lot in. It actually doesn't take that long. I mean, I usually put on a program and I can get it all done by the time the program's done, so an hour, hour and a half. So it doesn't take that that long to do actually, and that's all part of my Sunday wash day. So let me know what you think about the products that were in this Treasure Tress box. Have you used them, and what you think about the routine, our wash day routine as well, and tell me about your wash day routine as well. Okay, so that was it. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like down below if this is the kind of thing that you like to watch, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you press the little bell next to the subscribe button, that will notify you when I do my next upload. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and have a good week. Bye.